This video is showing the water supply to the onsen. The main isolator is down here. So basically that's in the off position. If it's inline, water's flowing along here, and that's the hot water supply. So the hot water comes here and then it's divided. That one there is permanently switched off normally. Therefore the water comes up here through the solenoid valve, which is controlled by the onsen timer. I'll show that in just a moment. So it goes through the solenoid down here and then out that way to the onsen. This here is designed so that if that fails, it'll fail closed. That means no water will get through. So you can bypass the timer just by turning that on. And then using the timer, for example, setting a timer on Alexa. So this part here is the onsen controller. It's not powered up at the moment, but when it is, there'll be a red light that comes up here. That tells you the power supply's on to it. The power supply comes from the socket down there and leads into this point up at the top. That's a fuse to make sure nothing goes wrong. There you can see the temperature, and the temperature is taken from in here, which is the in-feed supply. You can't see it very clearly, but there's a metal connector, and that there is the clip that holds the thermocouple that gives you the temperature of the water in feed. There is a timer. When you rotate it, it switches the unit on and goes for n minutes all the way around to 30. On the side of the unit you can see there's a socket there which is 12 volt in feed, and then down on this part here, that's the out feed that goes through to the solenoid valve. This here is the wire that comes from the solenoid valve here. There's a plug on the end of it, and that plug just plugs into this socket, this socket here.